A switch is a device which sends a data packet in a local network. A hub floods the network with the packet and only destination system receives that packet while others just drop, due to which the traffic increases a lot. To solve this problem, switch came into the picture. A switch first learns by flooding network just like hub to fill MAC address table on which port a particular device is connected. After learning, it sends packet to that particular host only. So we have layer 2 switches and layer 3 switches. A layer 2 switch is a type of network switch or device that works on the data link layer or second layer of OSI model and utilizes MAC address to determine the path through where the frames are to be forwarded. It uses hardware-based switching technique to connect and transmit data in a local area network. It doesn't have that much intelligence and just uses MAC address that are stored in MAC table correspond and forward that packet to the MAC address corresponding to particular port number. It is also referred as multi-port bridge. A layer 2 switch is primarily responsible for transmitting data on a physical layer and in performing error checking and error transmitting and receive frame. They learn MAC address automatically by copying MAC address of each frame received or listening to device on the network and maintaining their MAC address in a forwarding table. It cannot transmit packet on IP addresses and don't have any mechanism to prioritize packets based on sending and receiving applications. It is not recommended to use layer 2 switches for large network because in that case there would be more network traffic and traffic would be increases and hence this performance and the performance of the system will automatically reduce. So we have layer 3 switches, which is also called as routers. A layer 3 switches combine the functionality of a switch and a router. It acts as a switch to connect devices that are on the same subnet or virtual LAN at lightning speed and has IP routing intelligence built into it to develop as a router. It can support routing protocol, inspect incoming packet, and can even make routing decisions based on source and destination addresses. This is how a layer 3 switch acts as both switch and router. Layer 3 switch work on layer 3 of OSI model, that is network layer, where it route packet by using IP addresses. It is used widely on VLANs. The layer 3 switching functionality can take one of the two forms: packet by packet layer 3 switches or cut through switches. It has multicast broadcast domain and can communicate within or outside the network. So here in this example, the working of layer 3 and layer 2 switches are explained. Core layer and distribution layer uses layer 3 switches, whereas access layer uses layer 2 switches.